guys are having an awesome day. And if you're new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe down below and like this video, and also ring that bell so you guys can get notified when I upload, because I pretty much upload like every day because it's Vlogmas. So today's video is gonna be BoxyCharm. So this is my first BoxyLuxe, and I wanted to share with you guys what I got. And it's pretty exciting. I got it like organized and opened up already, so I know what I have. And I'm just gonna share with you guys what I got. Let me know in the comments below if you guys think this box was like worth it for you guys or not. So yeah, leave a comment down below about that. But yeah, I got the Luxy makeup brushes. I think everyone got this. I believe this was I checked on the card. This BoxyCharm is the season. And you got all the prices in the back. So this one is $65 for the brush set. I don't know, is that crazy expensive or is it just me? I got the Violet Voss Pro eyeshadow palette right here. This one costs about $45. And yeah. Charm, they emailed me about like what I should, like an option if I should get the straightener or a palette. So I asked for another palette because I like eyeshadow palettes. I'm not very into straighteners because my hair is already naturally straight. So it was this one maybe as a gift since I have the Violet Voss already. Because this palette is like already in my, like the colors are already in my collection. So I feel like I don't need another multiples of these colors. But they're very pretty for a gift. So this one is about, this one is the Suava Beauty Protein Palette. And it's $34. It's warm and cool tone palette featuring 6 highly pigmented shimmers, 8 matte shadows, and 2 brilliant highlighters. Looks like very artistic. The mirror, and then it has like all the eyeshadows in here. I feel like when we get an eyeshadow palette recently, I feel like it's a lot of repeated colors. I wanted like more like different colors when I get like an eyeshadow palette from them, because I feel like the Violet Voss is already like more of a cool tone. Sponge Blossom Bliss. This is a body wash.
So this one is a sponge gel body wash infused buffer. Sponge gel body wash infused buffers will cleanse, exfoliate, massage, and nourish. This multi-use buffers dermatologist tested and formulated with extracts, and this is about $20. So you can use this all over your body as like a soap.
But it smells so good. When I was opening my box, I was like, "What's that smell?" It smells like really good, like really, really good. So pretty good. BoxyCharm is the Glam AF. I don't know if I call it a wristlet or a makeup bag, whatever it is. Looks like a little wristlet. I will definitely use this maybe like to go out and stuff, because it literally explains my mood every day. I have something inside, which is the portable charger. It says like Crimes of Beauty. So you got like this thing here to charge, I believe, for the portable charger, and you just put like any cable on here to charge like your device. And then that one costs about $22. The ultimate bag for beauty essentials on the go. Lightweight portable leather bag is ideal for the jet setter and trendsetter and the girl boss who is always running to the next meeting. And it comes with a portable charger with iPhone and Android device, and can be recharged through any USB port so that you will never miss an email or Instagram able moment again. So the thing that I got is the Almus Pro Clogan Marine Cream, which looks like this. This one is $89 to reduce the appearance of wrinkles. This is everything your skincare routine has been missing. A potent cocktail of seaweeds has been blended with ginkgo biloba, rose, and mimosa to moisturize and visibly improve fine lines. The ultimate anti-aging cream will leave your skin feeling supple, firm, and radiant. This is $89. Why? I mean, I don't use those because, like, I mean, I'm not into that point where I need some wrinkles in my life. So, yeah, my hair is kind of messy. I'm like a fetus. So, bear with me. So, the next thing that I got is the Tarte glitter lip paint, and this one is about $20. It's like just a lip gloss, really. I'm actually gonna try some of these in the next video, so guys, keep an eye on that. And then I got the Grande mascara. My boyfriend thought it was Ariana Grande, like chill out. But yeah, this one costs $25, and basically it gets extreme length and volume while promoting healthier lashes, with your new Grande Mascara infused with lash-loving blend of peptides, panthenols, and natural waxes. Its buildable, water-resistant formula is easily removable to prevent lash breakage while keeping the lash flexible and strong. This is the last one that I have. This one is the Pretty Vulgar, the Powder Room Translucent Setting Powder, and it is $32. The weightless skin smoothing translucent setting powder locks your makeup into place while enhancing the look of your foundation. So this is really nice. There's a lot of description. Like, I'm gonna read all that, but you know, it's really cute. This can be used for like baking or something. And they have like that cute little pink thing. Explains my personality so much. So it looks like that. So yeah, those are the things that I received from my BoxyCharm. Do I love it? So, because I'm not really gonna use this because this is like the main thing in the box from like the prices and stuff. I just wish that BoxyCharm can give you options about products so that, like, you know, you can actually use your box. Only for me, I just want something that I will definitely use in every box because you paid for it and stuff like that. But I technically love my box. Like, I would say like a 9 out of 10, but not so bad, but I love it. Thank you guys for watching this video, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.